Good morning, all of you. The last class we discussed about the multiple and submultiple angle formulas. What what are the submultiple angle formulas? What are the multiple angle formulas are there? What is the formula of sine to a? What is the formula of cos to a and tan to a? The different formulas we know we learnt about the last class. Okay, now we go to the continuation of problems of multiple and submultiple angles. Now we see the objective. On completion of this class, you will be able to apply sine to a, cos to a and tan to a formula in solving problems. Very clear? Apply sine to a, cos to a, tan to a formulas and also solving problems. See this one, multiple and submultiple angles. You observe here recap. In the last class, you learned the following sine to a. What is the sine to a formula? 2 sine a cos a. In the last class, you learnt the following sine to a is equal to sine a cos a is equal to tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. What are the formulas of sine to a? We know that 2 sine a cos a and also equal to tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Now the cos to a formula is what? Cos square a minus sin square a and also equal 1 minus 2 sin square a and also equal 2 cos square a minus 1 and also equal 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Now another formula is there, cot to a is equal cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a and tan to a is equal to tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Already you know that these type of formulas in the last class we discuss. Okay, now further you learn that sine 22 and half and cos 67 and half, cos 22 and half and also sine 67 and half, tan 22 and half, cot 67 and half and cot 22 and half and 67 tan 67 and half is equal to root 2 plus 1. Now we see the example number 1. Prove that cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta minus cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta is equal, we have to prove 2 tan 2 theta. 2 tan 2 theta. Now we see the LHS. Cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta minus of cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. We have to take the LHS part, we can do the LCM. We get here cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus cos theta minus sin theta whole square divided by cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Using that formula, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. That is, we get 4 sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. We get cos square theta minus sin square theta. Here, since you observe a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to what? 4ab. Now, in this part we have to take outside 2 into 2 sin theta into cos theta divided by what is the formula of cos square theta minus sin square theta, that is equal to cos 2 theta. So that here 2 sin 2 theta cos theta Again using the formula. What is the formula? Sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta formula is what? 2 sine theta cos theta. So that in the place of 2 sine theta cos theta we write sine 2 theta. That is equal 2 into sine 2 theta by cos 2 theta. Here sine 2 theta by cos 2 theta is equal to what? Tan 2 theta. That is equal to tan 2 theta. This is RHS part. What is the RHS part? 2 tan 2 theta. Here the LHS we have to do the LCM part. We get what? Cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus cos theta minus sin theta whole square. Here we have to using the formula is what? A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. That is equal to 4ab. Using that formula we have to write 4 sin theta into cos theta. In the denominator also a plus b into a minus b is there. So that how to write this one? A square minus b square. Using that formula we get cos square theta minus sin square theta. That is equal, we have to write 4, how to write? 2 into 2. So that 2 take outside, 2 into 2 sin theta cos theta divided by cos 2 theta. That is equal 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. So that 2 into sin 2 theta divided by cos 2 theta. Here sin by cos is equal to tan. So that 2 into tan 2 theta. Okay, are you clear understanding this one? This is RHS part. Now we go to the example number 2. Prove that 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by sin 2 theta is equal tan theta, and hence to find the value of tan 22.5. Okay. Now we see the solution. LHS is equal 1 minus cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta. Here 1 minus cos 2 theta we apply the submultiple angle formula, that is multiple angle formula, that is equal to what? 2 sin square theta divided by sin 2 theta. What is the formula of sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta into cos theta. Here 2 cancel and square and sin theta cancel, we get sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. This is RHS part. Now here find the tan 22.5. So that substitute in the place of theta 22.5 degrees. That is tan 22.5 is equal 1 minus cos 2 into 22.5 by sin 2 into 22.5. That is equal 1 minus cos 45 degrees divided by sin 45. That is equal, what is the cos 45 value? 1 by root 2 is there, and also sin 45 is also 1 by root 2 is there. So that we have to substitute in the place of 45 degrees 1 by root 2. So that here 1 minus 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. Now we can do the simplification. We get root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2, and total is divided by 1 by root 2. Here root 2 denominator cancel, we get root 2 minus 1 is the value of tan 22.5. Okay, are you clear? Now we see again 1 minus cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta is equal to tan theta. We have to prove that one. Just we apply the formula 1 minus cos 2 theta formula in multiple angle, that is 2 sin square theta. Sin 2 theta formula, multiple angle formula, 2 sin theta into cos theta. Here numerator is 2 is there, in the denominator 2 is there, both are to be cancelled, and sin square theta is there, 1 square and sin theta will be cancelled. The remaining function is sin theta by cos theta, we get tan theta. Now we have to find the tan 22.5, means in the place of theta we substitute tan 22.5. Then we get what? 1 minus cos 45 by sin 45. So the finally in the place of 45 we substitute 1 by root 2 and sin 45 also 1 by root 2. Now we do the simplification, we get root 2 minus 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Here root 2 cancel, we get root 2 minus 1 is the final answer. That is the value of tan 22 and half. Okay. Now we see the example number 3. Prove that cot of pi by 4 plus a plus cot of pi by 4 minus a is equal to secant 2a. Okay. Cot of pi by 4 plus a, cot of pi by 4 minus a is equal to secant 2a. Here LHS is equal cot of pi by 4 plus a plus cot of pi by 4 minus a. Now we have to apply the formula of cot of a plus b formula, cot of a minus b formula. That is, we apply the formula, we get cot pi by 4 into cot a minus 1 divided by cot a plus cot pi by 4 plus cot pi by 4 into cot a plus 1 by cot a minus cot pi by 4. We know that cot pi by 4 value is cot 45 degrees, that is equal to 1. So that we get cot a minus 1 by cot a plus 1 plus cot a plus 1 by cot a minus 1. Now we can do the LCM, we get the solution cot a minus 1 whole square plus cot a plus 1 whole square divided by cot a plus 1 into cot a minus 1. We have a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equal 2 into a square plus b square. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is what? 4ab. But here a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. You have to remember this formula. You get 2 into a square. What is the a value? 1 is there. Then write 2 into 1 plus cot square a divided by, here cot a plus 1, cot a plus 1 means what? We have to split into the function cos square a minus sin square a divided by sin square a. That is equal to cos square 2 cosecant square a into sin square a by cos 2a. Then right here the value will be cancelled, we get 2 by cos 2a. 1 by cos 2a is equal to what? Secant 2a. So that the proof is what? 2 secant 2a. Here we just apply the formula of cot of a plus b formula, cot of a minus b formula. We can do the LCM part and simplify, and using this formula is what? A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal 2 into a square plus b square. Okay. Now we see the example number 4. Find sin 2a if cos a is equal 1 by root 2 and a is acute angle. Now here the solution you have to observe, given that cos a is equal 1 by root 2. We know that sin square a is equal what? 1 minus cos square a. Sin square a is equal 1 minus 1 by root 2 whole square. Then sin square a is equal 2 minus 1 by 2, we get 1 by 2. Sin a equal what? 1 by root 2. We know that sin 2a formula is what? 2 sin a into cos a. 2 into 1 by root 2, 2 into 1 by root 2, we get 2 into 1 by 2 is equal 1. Very simple question. Find the sin 2a is there, cos a is given 1 by root 2. Here the formula of sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a. Already we know that cos a, so that we have to find out the sin a. How to find out the sin a? Using the formula of sin a, sin square a using the Pythagoras law, or you have to apply the formula sin square a is equal 1 minus cos square a. Using that value we get sin a is equal 1 by root 2. Here the finally sin 2a is equal to sin a into cos a. That is equal 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, we get 2 into 1 by 2, we get 1. Now we see the example 5. Prove that cot A minus cot 2A is equal cosecant 2A. Here we have to take the LHS part, cot A minus cot 2A. Here how to write the cot A, cos A by sin A minus cot 2A, how to write cos 2A by sin 2A. We can do the LCM, we get sin 2A into cos A minus cos 2A into sin A divided by sin A into sin 2A. Now we have to apply the formula sin A cos A B minus cos A sin B, then sin of A minus B formula we have to apply. That is sin of 2A minus A divided by sin A into sin 2A. Sin of 2A minus A is equal what? Sin A divided by sin A into sin 2A. Sin A cancel, numerator and denominator. We get what? 1 by sin 2A is there. That is equal 1 by sin is equal cosecant A. So that we write 1 by sin 2A equal cosecant A. Okay. Here the very simple, in the place of cot A, cos A by sin A, in the place of cot 2A, cos 2A by sin 2A. Now we can do the LCM part. In the place of sin A cancel, we go to the 1 by sin 2A equal to cosecant 2A. Okay. Now we see the example number 6. Show that tan 2 theta divided by 1 plus secant 2 theta is equal to tan theta. Tan 2 theta divided by 1 plus secant 2 theta is equal to tan theta. Here LHS is tan 2 theta by 1 plus secant 2 theta. How to write the tan 2 theta? Sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta divided by 1 plus 1 by cos 2 theta. Now we can do the LCM, we get sin 2 theta by cos theta divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta by cos 2 theta. Here denominator part cos 2 theta cancel, we get sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. Now apply the multiple angle formula. What is the sin 2 theta formula? 2 sin theta into cos theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. Here numerator 2, denominator 2 cancel, the cos theta square cos theta will be cancelled, we get sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Now we see the example number 7. Prove that sin of pi by 4 plus a into sin of pi by 4 minus a is equal 1 by 2 cos 2a. 1 by 2 cos 2a. Now we take the LHS part. Sin of pi by 4 plus a into sin of pi by 4 minus a. We have sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. What is the sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b formula? Sin square a minus sin square b. Now this formula we have to apply here. Sin square pi by 4 minus sin square a we get. We know that sin square pi by 4, sin pi by 4 value is what? Sin 45 degrees. Sin 45 value is 1 by root 2. So that in the place of sin square pi by 4 we write 1 by root 2 whole square minus sin square a is equal 1 by root 2 whole square means we get 1 by 2 minus sin square a. Now we can do the simplification, we get 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2. 1 minus 2 sin square a, that is equal to cos 2a using the multiple angle formula. So that cos 2a by 2. Now write here 1 by 2 cos 2a is the RHS. That is a proof. Here just you remember this one. The formula of sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b formula. That is sin square a minus sin square b formula you have to apply. Then after that the value of sin square pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. And substitute and whole square will be get 1 by 2 minus sin square a, we get simplify cos 2a by 2. Now we see the example number 8. Show that cos power 6a plus sin power 6a is equal 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square 2a. Here we have to take the LHS part. Cos power 6a plus sin power 6a is equal. How to write the power 6? Cos square a to the power of 3 sin square a to the power of 3. How to write 2 into 3? That is equal to 6. That's why we have to write cos square a to the power of 3 plus sin square a to the power of 3. We have a cube plus b cube formula. That is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. a cube plus b cube is equal a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Now we have to apply this formula cos square a plus sin square a minus a plus b whole cube minus 3 cos square a into sin square a into cos square a plus sin square a. We know that cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1. 1 to the power of 3, that will be also 1. That is, we have to write 1 minus cos square a minus sin square a and cos square a plus sin square a. We have to write here 1 minus 3 by 4 and 4 sin square a cos square a. Here numerator and denominator multiply with 4. That is equal 1 minus 3 by 4 into 4 sin square a cos square a. How to write? 2 sin a cos a whole power 2 is also right to possible. Now 1 minus 3 by 4, 2 sin a cos a value, again using the multiple angle, that is equal sin 2a. That is 1 minus 3 by 4 into sin 2a whole square, that is equal 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square 2a is the RHS part. So that this is the important problem. You have to remember that formula is what? A cube plus b cube is equal a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. You have to remember this formula. Then you have to substitute in the place of a is cos square a and b is sin square a. And after that both numerator and denominator multiply with 4 to convert it to the formula 2 sin a cos a whole square. We know that 2 sin a cos a equal to sin 2a, then square will be right 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square 2a. Okay. Now we see the example number 9. Prove that cot theta minus tan theta is equal to cot 2 theta. Prove that cot theta minus tan theta is equal to cot 2 theta. Here solution is there. We have to take the LHS part. Cot theta minus tan theta is equal cot theta out to right cos theta by sin theta minus tan theta out to right sin theta by cos theta. Now we can do the LCM part. We get cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta, using the multiple angle we get what? 2 cos 2 theta. Now here 2 sin theta. Then here sin theta cos theta is there. Both numerator and denominator multiply with 2, we get the formula 2 to cancel. Then write cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta, we get 2 cot 2 theta. Okay. Now we see the example number 10. Prove that sin 2a divided by 1 plus cos 2a into cos a divided by 1 plus cos a equal to tan a by 2. Here the LHS part is sin 2a by 1 plus cos 2a into cos a by 1 plus cos a. Sin 2a formula 2 sin a cos a divided by 1 plus cos 2a formula is what? 2 cos square a. So that in the place of 1 plus cos 2a we have to write 2 cos square a into cos a divided by 1 plus cos a, submultiple angle formula 2 cos square a by 2. Here cos a cancel, 2 cancel, 1 cos a cancel, also we get here sin a divided by 2 cos square a by 2. Sin a, then write here 2 into a by 2. We have to write both numerator and denominator multiply with 2, we get sin 2 into a by 2, 2 cos square a by 2. Now here sin 2 into a by 2 means 2 into sin a by 2 into cos a by 2 divided by 2 cos square a by 2. Here also the 2 cancel, 1 square cos a by 2 cancel, that is equal sin a by 2 divided by cos a by 2. That is equal sin by cos means tan. We get tan a by 2. Now we see the example number 10. Prove that 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta is equal tan theta by 2. Okay. Now we have to take the LHS part, 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. We have 1 minus cos 2a is equal to sin square a. That is a multiple angle formula. And 1 plus cos 2a is equal to cos square a. And sin 2a is equal to sin a cos a. So that here 1 minus cos theta using the submultiple angle formula, that is equal to sin square theta by 2 plus sin theta submultiple angle formula, we have to write 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2, that is totally is divided by 2 cos square theta by 2 plus 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Here one square, one sin will be cancelled, then write 2 sin theta by 2, take the common, then sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 divided by, in the denominator part also we have to take the 2 cos theta by 2, take the common, we get sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2. Here 2 cancel and sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2, both numerator denominator cancel, we get sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2. That means what? Sin by cos is equal tan. So that we get tan theta by 2 is the RHS part. So that here you have to remember simple way, 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta is there. 1 minus cos theta submultiple angle formula, 2 sin square theta by 2. Sin theta submultiple angle formula, 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta submultiple angle formula, 2 cos square theta by 2. So that here 3 formulas using only the submultiple angle, then we have to simplify, we get the proof is there, tan theta by 2 we get. Now we see next problem. If 2 tan alpha is equal 3 tan beta, show that tan of alpha minus beta is equal sin 2 beta divided by 5 minus cos 2 beta. Okay. Now given the condition is what? 2 tan alpha equal 3 tan beta. From here tan alpha is equal 3 by 2 into tan beta. Now LHS, tan of alpha minus beta, tan of A minus B formula. What is the tan of A minus B formula? Tan alpha minus tan beta divided by 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta. That is equal, we write what is the tan alpha value is there? 3 by 2. So that in the place of tan alpha 3 by 2 tan beta substitute. 3 by 2 tan beta minus tan beta divided by 1 plus 3 by 2 tan beta into tan beta. Now we can do the simplification, we get 3 tan beta minus 2 tan beta by 2, total is divided by 2 plus 3 tan squared beta by 2. Now here tan of alpha minus beta is equal, we get here denominator 2 cancel, we get tan beta by 2 plus 3 tan squared beta. Now here the tan beta we have to split sin beta by cos beta, this total is divided by 2 plus and also sin square beta by cos square beta, then we have to get the simplification LCM part, 2 cos square beta plus 3 sin square beta by cos square beta. Sorry. Now we get the next step, sin beta into cos beta divided by 2 cos square beta plus 3 sin square beta is equal, we have to do the both numerator and denominator multiply with 2, we get 2 sin beta cos beta divided by 2 into 2 cos square beta plus 3 sin square beta. Now we get 2 sin beta cos beta using the multiple angle formula, sin 2 beta by 2 into 2 4 cos square beta plus 2 into 3 6 sin square beta. Now we are sin 2 beta by 4 cos square beta, now here 6 we have to take in the place of sin square beta 1 minus cos square beta. That is equal sin 2 beta by 4 cos square beta plus 6 minus 6 cos square beta is equal sin 2 beta by 6 minus 2 cos square beta. Tan of alpha minus beta is equal sin 2 beta by 6 minus 1 plus cos 2 beta. That is equal sin 2 beta by 6 minus 1 minus cos 2 beta. That is equal what? Sin 2 beta by 5 minus cos 2 beta is the RHS part. Okay. Now we see the example number 13. Prove that 1 plus cos pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 3 by 8 into 1 plus cos 5 pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 7 pi by 8 is equal to 1 by 8. We have to prove. Here we take first one LHS, we take the LHS part. 1 plus cos pi by 8, 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8, 1 plus cos 5 pi by 8, 1 plus cos 7 pi by 8. Okay, we have to take the next step, the equal, that is equal 1 plus cos pi by 8, 1 plus 3 cos pi by 8, 1 plus cos pi minus 3 pi by 8. It is also we have to write the possibility cos of pi minus 3 pi by 8 plus 1 plus cos of pi minus pi by 8. Okay, here 1 plus cos pi by 8 take the common, 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8 take the common, the remaining value is what? 1 minus cos 3 pi by 8, 1 minus cos pi by 8. Now here a plus b into a minus b, then write 1 minus cos square pi by 8 into 1 minus cos square 3 pi by 8. That is equal what? 1 minus cos square theta is equal sin square theta, we get sin square pi by 8 into sin square 3 pi by 8. The next step we write sin square pi by 8 into cos square pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 8, that is equal sin square pi by 8 into cos square pi by 8. Now we have to do the both numerator and denominator multiply with 4, we get 4 sin square pi by 8 into cos square pi by 8 divided by 4, that is equal to sin pi by 8 cos pi by 8 whole square divided by 4. Now we get sin 2 pi, what is the 2 sin a cos a is equal sin 2a, so the sin 2 pi by 8 whole square by 4. 1 by 4 we take the common, sin square pi by 4 is equal 1 by 4 is equal 1 by root 2 whole square, we get 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. Okay. Now we see the previous exam questions. First question you have to observe, prove that sin 2 theta divided by 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to cot theta. Already we see this type of problem. Show that second question, tan 2 theta divided by 1 plus secant 2 theta is equal to tan theta. Third question, prove that cot theta minus tan theta is equal to cot 2 theta. Okay, using the multiple and submultiple angle formula you have to solve this problem. Number 4 is cos square 6a plus sin square 6a is equal 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square 2a. And this is also you have to apply the formula a plus a cube plus b cube is equal a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a square plus b square. Using that formula you have to solving these type of problems. Okay, once again you have to listen, the formulas are important and multiple and submultiple angles. First you read the multiple and submultiple angle formulas, then after that you have to practice and solve this previous examination questions. Okay, the remaining problems to be continued the next class. Thank you very much.